Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect stream video feeds to an Android app. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To connect stream video feeds to your Android app, start by setting up your development environment. Ensure you have Android Studio installed on your computer. Create a new Android project with the required SDK. Select an empty activity for a clean slate. Next, add the necessary permissions to your Android manifest.xml file. Include permissions for internet access and camera usage. Now, add the libraries needed for stream integration. You can use libraries like Retrofit for networking and Exoplayer for playback. Open your app's build.gradle file and add the required dependencies. Sync the project to ensure everything is updated. In your main activity, set up the layout for video display. Use a simple Exoplayer view in your XML layout file. Initialize your Exoplayer instance in the activity code. Prepare the player by setting up the media source. You can use a progressive media source for HTTP streams. In the prepare method, pass your stream URL to load the video feed. Handle the player's lifecycle by starting it in OnStart and stopping it in OnStop. Implement error handling to manage issues with the video stream. Finally, test your application on an actual Android device. Monitor performance and make adjustments as necessary for optimal playback. With these steps, you should be able to connect stream video feeds seamlessly to your Android app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.